Hey guys, today's vlog video we're going to be talking about bathroom lighting, and we're going to show you how to replace a vanity light. Now you guys, if that sounds interesting, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget though, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright family, it's time for us to get this how to replace a vanity light fixture video started. Today's video family is sponsored by Emliviar. I'm going to drop Emliviar's information down in my description box, but my packages came like this and I did receive 2 different items. Now I'm going to pull up Emliviar's website, you guys. Do make sure you check that link down in the description. I have linked both of my items. You will find some very nice and affordable lighting fixtures, no matter what your style is. Now Emliviar actually was formed in 2018, you guys, and they are considered the unicorn lighting industry company that focuses on luxury light, modern light, and classical light styles. Now we'll tell you guys, you will see farmhouse, glam, boho, Scandinavian. You'll even see some minimalistic and some industrial pieces here on the site. So if you're looking to enhance, upgrade, or just give yourself an all new look, make sure you do check them out. They also have a combination of light and emotion and has made certain innovations in design, material, and quality in order to create an atmosphere as an emotional space. Now here you guys, I am going to show you the items that I did purchase off of their website. Like I say, once again, make sure you do check out Emliviar. Now this is that nautical light. You're going to see that installed here on the video as well. It's my front porch light. They do have that color in black and gold as well, but I did order the white. Now for my bathroom vanity, you guys, I ordered their 4-light vanity light fixture, and that light fixture was actually nickel brushed. You're going to get all of that information, but you guys, I will tell you, it added so much ambiance to the space. I cannot wait for you guys to see the completed look. Emliviar, thank you so very much for reaching out to me and sponsoring this video. Now you guys, make sure you click the links. They're all down in the description. I'm also going to once again leave their Amazon links as well, because you guys, they do sell on Amazon also, so keep that in mind. All right you guys, now we're going to jump right back into the installation of this vanity light fixture. Now you guys, as we open the package, it did come with the hardware to install these vanity lights, you guys. And like I say, I was very pleased. I love this brushed nickel look. But let me tell you a little bit about this light fixture. Once again, this is their Emliviar's 4-light vanity light fixture. It is for modern. It is a modern bathroom lighting fixture, you guys, and it has a brushed nickel finish with clear glass. Now you guys, the sale price of this light is $119.99, taxes included plus shipping. You heard me right, taxes included plus shipping. Now look at this clear glass. As you can tell, this is going to be a gorgeous light. Now here is that Emliviar's nautical outdoor wall light. It does come with the light, the hardware as well. And this is what that light fixture looks back. This is for a front porch or a modern exterior wall, and this is also a sconce style light as well. You see, I did go with white, and this is actually a 2-pack, and the sale price of this light, you guys, is $69.99, tax included and free shipping. The measurements of this light is 3.9 width by 3.9 depth by 9.4 in height. You guys, I can't wait to install these pieces. Now we're going to jump right into the installation. We have taken down the original light. I am receiving some help, but we're going to get this light put up. And to you guys, I'm having help with my brother, Big Male 49. He is here on YouTube. Please make sure you go over and check out his channel. He does challenges, pranks, reactions, food, family fun, game vlogs, promotions, storytelling, and skits, and so much more. I included some of his videos that he does have here on the channel. Make sure you go over and subscribe to him. Let him know the queen sent you over. I would really appreciate it so very much. But he is my handy go-to guy. Not only is he my handy go-to guy, he's my brother. Also, check him out on TikTok as well as Big Male 49 and his backup channel, The Cole Family 1. Let him know the queen did send you over. We're going to add in the new plate, you guys. I'm going to put in the new plate and the light. Like I say, it is rainy out, so I have a lot of filtered light. The light gonna move up some. We're gonna shift the mirror up. So we're gonna do this, add in our shelving. The new vanity, that is, you guys, should be in 3 more days. But we're doing this because I can do the vanity by myself, but I could not move the mirror, so I had to have help. But once we do all of this here, I'm going to still let you catch it in phases. Then we're going to come back. But once we get this right, we're going to literally set the bathroom up. And here, you guys, my brother is just mounting that face plate so we can hang the lights. And we're just going to go through this. You're going to see here shortly that we do take measurements. In my family, we believe in measure once, measure twice, measure 3 times. Same thing as leveling. You level once, you level twice, you level 3 times to make sure everything is accurate and to the point. So as we get this leveled and the faceplate mounted so that we can actually add these light fixtures in. I know the video was a little slightly on the darker side, you guys. We was getting blasted with rain, and so being in my bath gave me a semi-darker look, but I hope it's clear enough for you to see what we have going on. And he actually loved this light as well, so you will be seeing another video coming very, very soon of us installing some lighting in his 3 bathrooms as well. So make sure you be on the lookout for that, and we're going to do that in more of a step-by-step tutorial to walk you through how, if you are a first-time handy dandy or fixer upper, we're going to show you how to take stuff down and put it up. And once again, do make sure you hit him up here on YouTube at Big Male 49 if you want a laugh. Laughter is like medicine to the soul. I promise you, he will bring a laugh to you. So, but make sure you check out his YouTube, his TikTok as well. Make sure you do let him know that the queen sent you over. You guys, let's hurry up and help him get to that 1,000 followers so we can help him get his channel monetized. And here, you guys, we're just testing the light to make sure it works. You guys, I don't know who was more excited, me or him, in putting up these lights. As I told you before, he was sold on these lights. So you're going to see some more coming very, very soon. Now, once again, family, these are those modern 4-light bathroom vanity light fixture. It does have easy installation. It includes all mounting and hardware. Perfect for your bathroom, bedroom, living room, dressing room, mirror cabinets, vanity table, art display, corridor, staircase, and much more. This is actually hardwired, no bulbs included, and you can mount those lights facing upward or downward. The ETL listed has a 1-year warranty. And you guys, this is what that light looks like. And like I say, every light that went in, you guys, added more brightness to the bathroom. Now that mirror already brightened the bathroom, but with that fresh white paint, the mirror. Now the lights, you guys, make sure you come back Sunday. You heard me right. Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on the Glam Queen of DIY. You will see the new updated bathroom, you guys. Now we'll tell you that you're gonna see the fullness of it, because like I say, we're still waiting on the vanity, you guys, but I got to get this content out, and you're gonna see the completed look within a couple days after that on the Glam Queen of Decor. Make sure if you're not following us on that Decor channel, the Glam Queen of Decor, you go over and subscribe to that channel as well. That channel is going through a name change, you guys, and you're going to probably be seeing that within the next couple of days. But this is what this light fixture is looking like, and it was so helpful having my brother do the installation. I will tell you, we are going to be changing it for the clear light bulbs. I have all LED daylight light bulbs, and I'm going to switch them out. Alright, you guys, we have the lights up. Now this here, we're going to tuck it back in the wall, and we're going to raise the mirror. And as you can see, my brother wasted no time. By the time I made it outside, he had already taken down the front porch fixture. You guys, I did not include a video, but we did change the storm door and the door, and we rechanged that whole frame out as well. But he is actually installing this front porch light. And once again, family, this is that Emliviar nautical outdoor wall light for your house, for your front porch, modern exterior wall light fixture with the white finish. Once again, it was a 2-pack. Now the measurements was 3.9 in width, 3.9 in depth, and 9.4 in height. Now the features is it's water resistant and suitable for wet locations. Those outdoor wall mounted light fixtures with that nautical style cage design with the white finish and the clear tempered glass. It's IP44, water resistant and corrosion resistant, rust proof and explosion proof. There's also has to be hardwired. These exterior light fix consoles include all mounting hardware for quick, easy installation. And the UL listed with a 1-year warranty as well. You guys, you can use these on your porch, your garage, your hallway, your entryway, your basement, your workshop, boathouse, dock, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, foyer, or stairway. I'm telling you guys, make sure you do check out Emliviar. And if you're not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY and Glam Queen of Decor, make sure you consider becoming part of the family. We'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.